Hey guys, in today's tutorial we're gonna talk about how you can basically add or create a new category and add it to your menu on your WordPress website. So let's get right into it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to posts and we're gonna left click on categories. It's gonna take us to this page right here. So on the right hand side, as you can see, I already created a category. We're gonna create a new category which we're gonna basically name category literally. So you can basically add a slug or parent category, or basically you can choose a description. We're not gonna do any of that. We're just gonna add a new category for the sake of this video, and as you can see, it is right there. Now when we go to our visit site on the top side of your menu, we're gonna left click on edit site. It's gonna take us to this page right here. We're gonna wait for it to load, and now once we are set to go, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back again, and we're gonna choose the navigation, which is the first one in the design menu. Left click on navigation. Now left click on this pen right here, which is the edit pen or edit icon, and it's gonna take us to the menu edit. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose the add block button, which is this plus right here. It's gonna take us to here. We are going to left click on add block, and here we're gonna go to browse all, and you're gonna search for category link. Left click on category link, and it should automatically give us all the categories we have on our WordPress which we added beforehand. So here's our category basically. Left click on that, and as you can see, after we click enter or whatever, wherever we want, it is added into our website. So if we save right now and go to our website normally, so view site, as you can see, we have the category right here. So there it is, guys. Thank you guys for watching today's tutorial, and I hope I guys see you in the next video. Bye.